Getters. We are here to show you how to make your small business planning simple.
So simple.
Using our
Side hustle insert pack. I finally got to design a small business thing and I'm super psyched.
Yeah. Because you need it when you're doing a small business because it's like you have to do 10 jobs.
Totally. I would still use this and I'm like 20 years into owning this thing. I chatted last week with a university class and I was like, guys, you have to take the trash out before you know how to show somebody else where the trash cans are. So you got to keep track of all that stuff, you know? Like when trash day is. Do I keep track of that now? No. I'm terrible at it. So bad. I gotta put a trash sticker on my planner, honestly. I know.
Really do.
I really do. So anyway, we made this pact, and so we're going to show you guys how I filled one in.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's show what sizes it comes in. It comes in our large scout size or large spiral. A small, Anne, Nancy, Valerie.
And then this is the large. Rose, Nancy, Anne, Valerie, more to come.
Should we do it?
Let's do it,
Okay,
Nancy.
cool.
Woo! This is how I filled it out. I acted like I was an Etsy sticker shop.
Oh, cool.
Seller, yes. And
we're familiar with them.
We're a little familiar, yes. So we have your why, ideal customers, businesses, helpful contacts, mission statement, and then some sort of goal spot. So 6 months, 12 months, 5 years. We had a big jump.
Yeah.
Just going to keep this one in mind. Yeah. This is sort of like, honestly, this is stuff when I started a business or even now, I like kind of roll my eyes of like, your why. Come on. But you know what?
It helps.
It actually really is helpful to have it and your ideal customers or like your hopes, like 5 years, 12 months, 6 months. I don't know. It actually really is helpful. And this, your mission statement, to keep coming back to this is super, super important.
What's your favorite section of this on this page?
I think my favorite section is ideal customers and mission statement because this is really helpful so that you remember who you're doing this for and who you're speaking to in all of your marketing and your products. And then this is just like a good reminder of like why you started everything because it can get overwhelming, like what you're doing here.
Yeah,
you know?
You can get distracted.
You can get distracted, big distractions. Yep. You see what other people are doing on the interwebs and you're like, perhaps I should do that. But no, you want to design high quality and whimsical stickers.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so that's the first page.
Yes.
The second page, this is the first 6 months of the year, and you have theme, focus, launches. You know, if you're launching something, you should be talking about that, keeping that in mind. Quick form content, that's our quick reels and that kind of thing. Long form is a little bit more like this, like YouTube or lives or whatever. And then emails and special products. And then here's a reflection part so that you can kind of take a minute to reflect on what you did and what actually worked, what you liked, what you didn't like, what your customers responded to. And then you have the second 6 months of the year. So same thing for second 6 months. Okay.
I love this page.
Yes, this page is also a page I need, but perhaps don't use that. Like I need to do this better. When you have a small business, it can feel like, oh, we're just putting this fire out. We're doing this. You can get lost in the details sometimes and you forget like your achievements because you're already thinking about the next thing you need to do.
And it's just you normally. So
like
you don't have anybody else to celebrate with.
Exactly. So you make your sort of good decisions, things you're proud of that you did that maybe were scary, but you did them. Yeah. This is similar to our Making Memories page.
It is.
You just jot stuff down. It doesn't have to fill the whole space. You can put little pictures. You can do a list. You can do whatever you want.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yay. Side hustle success.
Side hustle success.
I feel like we could run a sticker company. Wait.
Oh, wait. We do.
Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Go and watch any of our other Insert YouTubes. We just did one on event planning, that booster pack.
Yeah.
Very good.
Go side hustle. You're going to do great. Yay!
Write your wins on the back of your side hustle and then post them and tag us.
Yes.
And we'll say, woo!
And then we'll celebrate you.
Yeah.
And it'll be so exciting.
Okay, what's your sign-offs?
Ooh, may your side hustle be
super happy.
Yes, SHSA.
Yeah.
Wow, look at you. And may your good decision page be full.
Yeah.
Okay, bye! Hi, Meg. How are you doing today? Somehow you still look cool, and I look like I'm in kindergarten.
I like this.
It's a little sweat thing.
California. Wait, what's that song? No, the OC. There we go. Time to party. California. Knows how to party.
In the city.
City of something. Compton. We're gonna rock it. We rock it.
We are here for a very fun episode.
Sometimes we can't have that drive.
Yeah.
Should we start again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bishop, look, this was plugged in the...
Is that bad? Is that bad?
It'll just maybe be in the front thing.
Wait, what
is going on?
It's not.
What? The cord isn't in the...
Oh.